Hello, I'm Emily Haxton, External Communications and Press Coordinator for the Oklahoma Tax Commission. Today, I will be leading you through a walkthrough of the OKTAP school reconciliation process for the Parental Choice Tax Credit Program. The reconciliation process will go live on April 28. Please note, once you start the process, if your computer is left idle for 15 minutes, your session will time out and you will be required to start over. Let's get started. First, if you have received an email from the Oklahoma Tax Commission letting you know that the Parental Choice Tax Credit reconciliation is now live, you may click on the link to be taken to the OKTAP site to complete the school reconciliation process. On the OKTAP homepage, enter your username and password, then click Login. First-time users will be asked to add a phone number or email address for our two-step authentication process. Once finished, click Save. Enter the security code sent to the phone or email address you just provided and click Confirm. Now, navigate to the View School Years link on the OKTAP dashboard. Select Spring 2025 for the school year. Now, click the Submit Reconciliation link, review the instructions, and click Next. You will be prompted to enter the number of instructional days for Spring 2025. An instructional day is defined as a day during which all students in a particular grade and school are required to attend and participate in school activities. Once you have entered the number of instructional days, click Next. You will now be directed to the student information page for your school. The students listed below received a Parental Choice Tax Credit for your school for Spring 2025. Please verify the enrollment, provide grade level, and the number of instructional days for each student. Select the student's grade level for Spring 2025. Next, you will need to select whether the student was enrolled full, partial, or none. If you select full, the system will automatically enter the full number of instructional days that you provided on the previous screen. If you select partial, you will be required to manually enter the number of instructional days the student was enrolled for that semester. If you select none, the system will automatically enter 0 for the number of instructional days for that semester. The system will check the information provided to ensure that all fields are complete and valid before allowing you to proceed. Should you wish to save your changes and submit at a later time, you may click on Save Draft. If you have completed all the required fields and are ready to submit your reconciliation, click Next to view the summary page. Here, you can review all entries to ensure that the information is accurate before finalizing the submission. If you identify an error while reviewing the entries, you can click Previous or select the Student Information link to go back and make corrections. Once you have verified that all information is correct, click Next again to provide your electronic signature. Sign by entering your first and last name, then click the button below to confirm your electronic signature. Finally, click Submit to submit your reconciliation. Save and print your confirmation information, then click OK to close. You will also receive a confirmation email at the email addresses listed for the school's primary and secondary contacts. If you would like to edit your reconciliation submission, click on the Parental Choice Tax Credit School Reconciliation link within the Spring 2025 period. Next, click Withdrawal. You will see a Continue Editing link. Click that and proceed to make the necessary changes. Please note that the previously submitted information will be displayed for your review and any necessary edits. As a reminder, schools are required to provide reconciliation information on or before June 15, 2025. Thank you for watching the Oklahoma Tax Commission's Parental Choice Tax Credit Reconciliation Process Walkthrough.